So I think every mom or every woman out there can relate to, you get your kids in for their shots. You bug your husband to get his prostate checked. You want to make sure everybody's taken care of, but you sometimes forget about yourself. You're pretty good about checkups when you're pregnant. You're pretty good about checkups, while you're in that wanting to get pregnant phase, and then you kind of forget about it. And then suddenly you're 40 or 50 years old and you realize that you might not have gone to the doctor except for when you were sick for regular checkups, and things can be missed, like mammograms, like listening to what's going on with your body for other serious medical conditions. So women just need to learn that they matter. They matter as much as their kids, and if they're not taking care of themselves, they're not going to be there long term for their kids and husbands.